Hello, we are here at ARC Industry Forum 2018. I'm delighted to have Satoru Kurosu, Director and Executive Vice President of Yokogawa Corporation. Welcome, Kurosu.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, Andy.
You had a great 2017 year. You accomplished many things. And could you share with us some of the key initiatives that you have for 2018?
Right. So last time in this LFC forum, we announced the acquisition of KBC. And this is a really exciting year, how we can merge KBC integrated into the Yokogawa group and also create the synergy over the acquisition. And to expand our horizon to have more solution service capability, we announced in the last November the new IA, industrial automation concept called Synaptic business automation, which covers not only the traditional automation, but also the addressing a customer business issue. That was the biggest event we created in the last year.
You know, based on your initiatives, how have you adjusted your value proposition for your customers? How can you help your customers cost justify their projects and investments?
Yeah, that's a good question. So actually, the world is changing rapidly, and a lot of challenges customers are facing, like the digitalization is one thing, but also the market needs, like the feedstock prices up and down, and the challenges like about the human resources, like aging, the workforces. So to address this kind of challenges, what we must do as a supplier or service company is identify customers' business issues. So by using KBC's consulting methodology, we can really identify the prioritized customers' business issue so that we can package the optimal solution to solve this problem. So this kind of thing started from a consulting. We call that a customer's value creation cycle, starting from identification of a customer issue and create and implement solution. And not just the implementation, but they would like to operate and sustain and even improve the consulted results. So this kind of value creation cycle will assure the customers to improve the business performance throughout their plant life cycle. This is what we are creating and also proposing to our customers.
As companies are bringing newer technologies, automation and enterprise technologies to their plants and facilities, they need more and more help from their partners and suppliers. Could you tell us a little bit about how is Yokogawa helping your customers?
Good question, Andy. So in this LC forum, we announced the two solutions to help customers to improve their business performance. One is the operational excellence transformation. This is a new idea to address the customer's business issues. Traditionally, this was positioned as the layer 3 or above over ISN 95. But more uniquely, we added domain knowledge with the consulting methodology so that we can really address customer issue, then solve by this the operational excellence transformation. This is one solution. Another one is the profit-driven operation. This is another unique idea, which is resulting from a combination between the KBC domain knowledge and also our DCS expertise to have a systematic architecture about the KPI, so that not only the business layers needs is fulfilled, but also this is cascaded down to the actual physical operation by the KPI dashboard embedded on the DCS. These are two new solutions we are providing to the customers.
You know, today all customers have big concern about cybersecurity.
Yes.
You saw that on Monday. We had over 300 people in our cybersecurity workshop and so forth, and they are looking to their partners and suppliers for help. How are you trying to help your customers in regards to cybersecurity?
Yeah, this is also a good question. So cybersecurity started from the IT world. But the customers are running the operation plant, like the very mission-critical hydrocarbon plant. So not only the IT expertise, customers expecting OT experience so that their upgraded IT system, cybersecurity, is in line with the safety and also the regulatory compliance. So the one example is we are having the service to the global shell site together with the Cisco as a partner. So this the alliance between the Cisco and Yokogawa is really the good combination between IT and OT, so that we can supply the full services, kind of outsourced services for the plant security. On top of that, we recently got another opportunity order for the BSF for the safety assessment. So this is a kind of services as a company who are familiar with the OT to really address the customers' actual plant issues.
Here at the forum, you announced a new system and so forth, and I'm sure you have many other things planned for the coming years. Maybe you could share us what is your future vision for the next couple of years?
So our uniqueness is we have the capability of a domain knowledge with the consulting methodology and the OT and IT solution. We like to combine these two expertise so that we can create the best solution. But the supplying a solution one way is not solving customers' problem. So co-innovating solution together with the customer is the key concept, so that we can create the maximum solution together with the customer, so that we like to contribute customers' business performance. This is our vision.
Co-innovating is a very interesting concept, and I think Yokogawa has been working on it for many years, and I think you have a great opportunity to help your customers, partnering with your customers. Thank you very much. We have been speaking with Kurosu of Yokogawa Electric. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Andy. Thank you very much.